Baik, selamat pagi. Perkenalkan, nama saya Madi Sakat Maje, kelas manajemen 23A NPM 23411079. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi mata kuliah pengembangan dan perkembangan organisasi yang berjudul materinya itu tentang Introduction to Organizational Development and Performance Improvement. Baik, lanjut saja ke videonya. Yang pertama yaitu definition of organizational development. Organizational development often referred to as ODS and planned and systematic process that aim to improve organizational effectiveness and employee well-being. It's focus on long-term change by developing strategy and processes that extend overall performance. Organizational and development also emphasize human aspect, such as communication, leadership, and organizational culture. And next, objectivity of organizational development. The main objectivity of organizational development is to create a more effective and efficient organizational. Is if the improve communication, strengthen teamwork, and increase employee satisfaction and development leadership and capability. And by focusing in this area, organizational can create a healthy work environment that support both individual and organizational growth. And organizational development often interested in planning and systematic process and that aim to improve an organizational effectiveness and employee well-being. In focus in long-term change by developing strategies, structure, and process that enhance overall performance. And organizational development also in human aspect, such as communication and leadership and organizational culture. And next, the relationship between an organizational development and performance. And organizational development is closely relative and performance improvement. And when an organizational improvement in internal process and employee skill and work cultural, it is the activity aspect, productivity, and performance outcome and development. Organizational is more capable of achieving its goal, adapting to change, and maintaining a competitive advantage. And organizational development is closely related to performance improvement when as organizational improvement its internal process, employee skill, and work culture is the risky aspect, productivity, and performance outcome. And next, key element of organizational development. There are several important elements in organizational development, including leadership, communication, and organizational, cultural, and employee involvement. And leadership provides direction and motivation, while effective communication ensures that all members understand an organizational goal, and cultural support value and employee involvement increase commitment and responsibility. There are several important elements in organizational and development, and including leadership and communication and organizational, cultural, employee involvement, leadership, profit, direction, and motivation. And next, role of leadership in organizational development. Leadership play a critical role in organizational development and performance improvement. Leader a responsibility for setting and clean vision and building employer. And creative a supportive improvement. Effectivity leadership inspire trust, encourage innovation, and help employee adapted to change. And without strong leadership development, every may fail. And leadership play a critical role in organizational development and performance improvement. Leadership a responsibility for setting a clear vision and guiding employee and creative and supportive environment, effectivity leader and inspirators and user innovation and employee adaptive and change. And next, conclusion organizational development and performance environment are essential for long-term success. Organizational development focus in improving internal process and people will perform improvement ensure that the organizational investment in goal effectivity by combining with aspect organizational can grow and adapted and remain competitive in dynamic environment. In conclusion, organizational development and performance environment are essential for long-term success. And thank you very much. My presentation is thank you.